welcome to Silvia's YouTube channel. Today we are going to cover a topic you may not have thought about before. Have you ever felt confused by the different English accent in Indonesia? In this video, we're going to dive into the different accent and unique pronunciation from different regions in the country, so you can see how much influence your mother tongue has on English pronunciation for EFL learners. So prepare yourself to be surprised and entertained, and don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on the next exciting content. Let's get started! I invite two of my friends to see how we pronounce words differently in Garut English, Tasikmalaya English, and Ciamis English. First, we have Tahany.
Hello, my name is Tahany Khansa. I'm from Singaparna, Tasikmalaya Regency.
And we also have Ulya.
Hello, my name is Ulya Halimatussadiah. I'm from Ciamis Ciamis Regency.
Let's see 5 words that we will say. Tuesday, Selasa.
Tuesday. Tuesday.
YouTube, YouTube.
YouTube. YouTube.
Tuna, ikan tuna.
Tuna. Tuna.
News, berita.
News. News.
Duty, tugas.
Duty. Duty.
Mother tongue is very influential on EFL English pronunciation. Some factors that can affect pronunciation include 1. Phonetics and phonology. Often mother tongue is different from the sound in English. 2. Intonation of emphasis. Pattern of intonation and emphasis in maternal language can affect the learning method of emphasizing words in English. Accent from various regions can affect certain sound resulting. For example, the word Ciamis district said Tuna was more emphasis on the beginning of the word to be tuna. Tasik Regency students recited it almost similar to students from Garut Regency. Only students from Garut district patterns in the patterns of intonation in spacing of the melody and can be more depressed in certain syllables. That's all for this learning video. Hopefully it's useful. See you. Goodbye.
Thank you, everyone! Thank you, Elmer! Boom!